What is up, YouTube? It is Jackie. Sorry about the glare that is coming in right now. There we go. That's a little better. Coming in with another review today. Today's review is going to be Nature Valley Protein Bar. I don't know if that cover's showing up good or not. This is peanut butter and dark chocolate. It's a chewy bar. There's 190 calories per serving. There's one serving size per this. 110 calories from fat. We got 10 grams of protein in this. So sodium 180 milligrams, which is kind of a lot. Let's get into it. Check it out. We finna try this mudda. So texture. Got some chocolate on the bottom. You got some chocolate chips in there. It looks like you got some granolas in there. It looks like you got some peanuts in there. So it's good. Take a little piece of it. First bite. Good tasting chocolate. Got a good strong peanut butter taste in it. Got the oats. Got some oats in there. Got some good oats in there. Got a piece of peanut in there. That was pretty good. Peanut butter is really good in there. Not too sweet on the chocolate. It's actually a really good bar. Very, very good bar. I'm gonna have to give this a shot. Actually can't quit eating it. Really good. All around flavoring is really great. Nothing's too overwhelming at all. Actually very delightful tasting in your mouth. Very good. Then you get a box of 5 of these at Walmart for a couple of dollars and some change. I highly recommend this. This is really good. Really good breakfast bar. So if you don't mind, if you want to, it's up to you. Give it a shot. I approve of it really much. I'm going to buy some more of these. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. See ya.